Today, we're diving into the 5 best sheer curtain ideas that are trending in living rooms this year. Whether you're working with a small apartment or a spacious home, these ideas will show you how to use sheer curtains to transform your living space into a sophisticated sanctuary. From layering techniques to color choices and hanging styles, we'll cover everything you need to know to achieve that perfect, airy, elegant look. So if you're ready to let more light into your life while maintaining style and privacy, let's explore these stunning sheer curtain ideas that are defining living room design in 2026. 1. Layered elegance, combining sheers with blackout curtains. The first trend taking living rooms by storm is the sophisticated art of layering sheer curtains with heavier drapes. This technique gives you the ultimate flexibility, gorgeous filtered light during the day, and complete privacy when you need it. Start with installing a double curtain rod system, placing your sheer curtains closest to the window and your blackout or heavier curtains on the outer rod. Choose complementary colors, perhaps crisp white sheers with deep navy blackout curtains or soft cream sheers paired with rich charcoal drapes. Key is creating contrast while maintaining harmony. During the day, keep your heavy curtains pulled back to showcase the beautiful sheers, allowing natural light to filter through softly. In the evening, draw both layers closed for maximum coziness and privacy. This layering approach works especially well in modern and transitional living rooms, adding depth and visual interest to your windows. 2. Floor-to-ceiling drama, maximizing height and light. Nothing transforms a living room quite like floor-to-ceiling sheer curtains that create the illusion of soaring heights and endless light. This technique is particularly powerful in 2020 SIXS design landscape, where maximizing natural light and creating spacious feels are top priorities. Mount your curtain rods as close to the ceiling as possible, even if your windows don't extend that high. Choose extra-long sheer panels that pull slightly on the floor for an ultra-luxurious look, or go for a clean, just touching the floor length for a more contemporary feel. The continuous flow of fabric from ceiling to floor creates an unbroken vertical line that makes your living room appear taller and more grand. For the best impact, select sheers in light, neutral tones like soft whites, warm creams, or pale grays. These colors won't compete with your other decor elements while maximizing the light-reflecting properties of the fabric. Consider sheers with a slight sheen or metallic thread for an added touch of elegance that catches and reflects light beautifully. This approach works wonderfully in both small and large living rooms. In small spaces, it creates the illusion of height and airiness, while in larger rooms it adds drama and sophistication without overwhelming the space. 3. Textured beauty, natural fiber sheers for organic appeal. The move towards sustainable and natural materials continues strong into 2026, making textured natural fiber sheers a perfect choice for today's eco-conscious living rooms. Think beyond basic polyester shears and embrace the organic beauty of linen, cotton, bamboo, or hemp shears. Linen shears are particularly stunning. Their naturally relaxed texture and subtle irregularities create beautiful light patterns when the sun shines through. They work perfectly in bohemian, Scandinavian, and modern farmhouse living rooms. Cotton shears offer a softer, more refined look while still maintaining that natural appeal, perfect for traditional and transitional spaces. The beauty of natural fiber shears lies in their ability to add warmth and texture to your living room while maintaining that light, airy feel. They move gracefully with air currents, creating a gentle, living quality in your space. The slight opacity variations in natural fibers also create interesting visual depth. Some areas will be more transparent while others provide slightly more privacy. Pair these textured natural sheers with organic elements like wooden furniture, stone accents, or plenty of greenery to create a cohesive, nature-inspired living room that feels both current and timeless. For color play, soft pastels and subtle hues for modern sophistication. While white and cream sheers will always be classics, 2026 is embracing soft color and sheer curtains like never before. Gentle pastels and subtle hues are adding personality and warmth to living rooms without overwhelming the space or blocking precious natural light. Consider soft blush pink sheers for a romantic, feminine touch that works beautifully in contemporary and traditional living rooms alike. Pale sage green sheers bring nature indoors and complement the biophilic design trend that's dominating 2026. Dusty blue sheers create a calming, spa-like atmosphere perfect for relaxation and unwinding. Key to success with colored sheers is choosing hues that are soft enough to maintain that light, ethereal quality while adding just enough tint to create interest. These subtle colors become more pronounced when backlit by sunlight, creating beautiful color washes across your living room throughout the day. For a more sophisticated approach, try sheers with subtle ombre effects or gentle gradient dyeing. These techniques add visual interest while maintaining the soft, dreamy quality that makes sheer curtains so appealing. Remember to consider how your chosen sheer color will interact with your existing color palette. It should complement, not compete with your other design elements. 5. Modern minimalism. Clean lines and functional beauty. The final trend we're seeing in 2026 is the embrace of ultra-minimalist sheer curtain treatments that prioritize clean lines, functional beauty, and architectural integration. This approach strips away any unnecessary decorative elements, focusing instead on the inherent beauty of the sheer fabric and perfect proportions. Choose sheers with simple, straight edges and minimal hardware. Think sleek metal rods in brushed steel or matte black, with basic grommets or simple rod pockets. The beauty comes from perfect measurements, quality fabric, and flawless installation rather than ornate details or complex hanging systems. This minimalist approach works particularly well in modern and contemporary living rooms, where the focus is on clean architecture and uncluttered spaces. The sheers become part of the room's architecture rather than a decorative addition, softening hard edges and filtering light without adding visual noise. Consider motorized systems for the ultimate in minimalist functionality. No cords, no chains, just smooth, quiet operation that can be controlled with a remote or smart home system. This technology integration aligns perfectly with 2020 SIXS smart home trends while maintaining the clean aesthetic that minimalism demands. The result is a living room that feels serene, uncluttered, and perfectly balanced, where the sheer curtains enhance rather than dominate the space. There you have it, the 5 best sheer curtain ideas that are transforming living rooms in 2026. From sophisticated layering techniques to bold color choices and minimalist approaches, these trends prove that sheer curtains are far more versatile than you might have imagined. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decorating inspiration. Thanks for watching.